Hi, this is Martin on a Quick Mortgage Minute, and thank you for spending a quick second with me today. And today I'm here to talk about a little bit of sweat equity. And a lot of times you may or may not know of a loan called a 203K loan, and people advertise it and publish it a million different ways. A rehabilitation loan on a home, or a remodeled home loan. And basically a 203K loan is a fancy word for I can buy a house and I can get money to repair that home. So sometimes I can get money to above and beyond what the value of the home is. And they'll give you up to $35,000 to fix the home for foundation, kitchen, flooring. Those are some of the things that are allowed. The things that it cannot be allowed the money can not be allowed to be used for are more like luxuries, entertainment systems, pools, spas. Those are luxuries that they consider. So 203K loan is more for aesthetics of buying a home. And there are some pros and cons to these loans. Some of the pros are, like I mentioned to you, is you'll get that extra money to repair the home and rehabilitate the home, especially if the home is in really bad condition. Some of the cons are usually the interest rates are higher for these loans than your typical regular FHA loans. You have to get a certified contractor to do the work and get bids from these people. It's a lengthier escrow, so sometimes the length of the transaction is much lengthier. So those are some of the cons of these 203K loans. You don't have to have great credit. You still need a 3.5% down payment. They're also available for refinancing. And again, you can get these loans. They're called FHA 203K, and they can lend you above and beyond the value of the home. There are pros and cons to this type of loan. So we'd be happy to give you some more details of this, and give us a call. We're here to serve. Don't forget to share and like this channel. This is Martin. Thank you and have a great day.